there, welcome to the Teeny Tinkers channel. I make ball jointed doll and craft related content.
I do ball jointed dolls too.
Yes, he does. This is Pablo. He does ball jointed dolls, and we are exploring all of Europe with our dolls.
We're going to a multicultural trip through all Europe, transporting ourselves into miniature monuments.
Yes, we have brought tiny dolls to visit.
Oh yeah!
Tiny monuments. Let's get those friends out. So when I say miniature, I'm not talking like miniature. I'm talking
Like diorama style.
yeah, like smaller than the real thing. I'm thinking they might be more like doll scale. We'll see. I have no idea.
No, they're bigger than no scale.
Oh. But if the real Eiffel Tower is like 20 stories tall, then this one would be.
Of course, I mean, but it's still. I would say bigger.
We'll see. So, I have a hollow prototype, tiny.
I have Maribel. I finished yesterday and started yesterday.
It looks better than mine. I'm gonna be so
You think? I don't think so.
Oh yeah, it looks so good. Well, mine has like this like awful.
Look. This is quality, okay?
That fits so good. Are you kidding?
No, that fits because it's glued on the wig.
I love that though. That's perfect. Look how big my wig cap is.
No, but it doesn't slip, so you know. If it doesn't slip...
It doesn't slip because there's...
Oh, okay. Well,
mine doesn't even have shoes. I was like, not...
I've been... Yesterday I was looking for my creatables and stuff, but like my dolls feet are like huge. So I ended up opting for like this Ken style.
Yeah, these ones, they're too big for Chelsea doll, but too small for the Barbie shoes to look sit properly. She's got very small feet.
Maybe you can try like Ken one.
We now? What is the windmills?
Oh. I guess that's like... I don't know. I think most monuments have like that thing, the card.
So we can find out what things actually
Yeah. I remember the first time I came here with my friend Miriam, and we had a great time because it was like sunny too. Molino Holandeses, this is from Holland.
Oh, Dutch mills.
Yes.
So here we are in Poland, Dutchland?
Holland. Hollandese from Holland.
Holland, okay. So
Amsterdam is the capital of Holland. This is this.
how many people live there?
Yeah.
And...
This is all the monuments, it seems like.
Okay. So we just started at 18? Oh,
Yes.
we're going backwards.
We started from the bottom, now we're here.
We're still at the bottom.
Amazing. So funny to me because yesterday you told me if you want to record any video, and I'm like, my YouTube channel is dead.
Yeah.
I've been trying to take time to edit the dress up I did last year with the doll that you gifted me and the.
That's okay. Mine's just short.
I was like.
Oh, yes.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I mean, for a couple of guys going with those, I guess I would.
Yeah.
I actually appreciate how many people
Same.
have been here.
Maybe we don't have to like shove kids out of the way to take a
Exactly.
picture. Like, get your
Or
kids
people
out
being like, oh, are those dolls? It's like, yeah.
But can I play with them? No.
No. Keep your hands away from my door.
Or let them break and then tell their parents, I'm going to invoice you for that. I'll just take pictures of myself here and I'll be like, we had a Euro road trip.
Yeah.
Cute.
You will be able to post a photo shoot later.
Oh, absolutely. I thought about it, but I mean, this is
The Berlin Wall.
Oh.
There's, but like
It's
the
like a chunk
actual
of it?
one, I don't know if this is like the actual one. Because like I feel like all around Europe there's different places. Trozo del muro original. This is original.
Original?
Yes.
That's super cool.
It's brand new from the business.
Why don't we even take this picture?
Madrid? Yes. Here?
We've been to the actual one, yeah.
Yes.
This one's like almost like a similar size.
I will show you later on a video.
Even like right here. Well, I guess because if you want to get.
Oh, I was going to do this.
It looks so good.
I think the photo shoot is going to come out. Really
I think it's gonna
cute.
be really cute. Yeah.
More, just paint them and have
Motivation.
them like small crew to travel with. I just need a case. So if anyone has any recommendation for a case that I need
glasses
those, it will be cool.
Glasses case.
Glass?
A glasses case for eyeglasses.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
They're like perfect for this size doll. That's what I saw Gigglefish.
Oh,
She like carried her like micro clover around.
yeah. I saw. I love them. She always, every time I see them on the feet, I'm like, how cute. Like, I love her side.
Yeah, she does such a good job.
Like, so original,
Very creative.
to be honest.
Like the moth soleil she did for me.
Yeah,
is one of my
yeah.
favorites.
And the clovers, I think she has clover that has like half black and half red.
Yeah.
Wow. I'll show you later.
Hollow and Polly like an elf, and then doing soda pop in like the kawaii cute style that she like originally had.
Yeah, like a few
I mean, they're all really good. Like,
There's a point that I'm like, what the hell? You decide to do whatever. I'm like, you already have like tons of colorful clothes. Yeah.
in the case, I'll just send you a few pictures of them.
To be honest, I don't even.
Your first doll is 200 euros. Then the second one is like.
See, yeah.
I
I've actually been in Denmark and I seen the mermaid from Copenhagen.
This is the first time I'm hearing this.
You think? I've never seen this before.
No, I know.
So actually, I went with my grandparents into a cruise, and I saw a lot of the northeast countries in Europe, and it was so cool. To be honest, fun fact: they don't have regular water. If you go to the supermarket, they actually have like bubbly water for some reason. I guess that's the normal there.
The carbonated waters, like
Yes.
Perrier or whatever.
It doesn't taste good, but
No, it
you know, I guess they're used to it.
Hey, girl, mine is-
I can open my eyes. Finally! So the one you uploaded, I'm like,
I know. Well, I am too, but it's like, we'll just pretend we're smiling.
no,
and
you're
not
pretty.
Oh, you're pretty.
Oh. Nice days, what is this?
Somebody's defaced it though.
Oh, but I hate when people paint.
Canadian to buy it on its own.
Canadian is more than.
All right.
My cousin has been
Oh.
here in the real life.
Should be.
We're going home.
You're going to Greenland,
What is that?
United Kingdom.
UK. I have no idea what happened.
They teach me, but I forgot how the UK Britain it's different than like I feel like
Because UK includes Scotland.
exactly this is
So-
bingo and then see where the rest is. Because
Yeah. Yeah, if we go this way, we'll be able to continue our loop.
This is Plaza Europa, but we have not
Yep.
seen the mannequin piece. The mannequin piece, I know what that is. You will laugh when you see it.
Okay.
Cut it on the montage.
We were saying, like when we write like ha ha ha, like in Canadian English, it's like HAHA.
Yeah.
And then it's like JAJA for you.
Yes.
In French, it's HONHO. It's a HON. Hun hun hun.
Oh.
Hon, 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 hon. I don't know about France
They go
French.
Ha ha ha, but like it's the way
The sound is ha ha ha.
They go, ha, ha.
Ha ha ha. At least Canadian French. Fielding Park, the thing park.
So it says that the Eiffel Tower is,
Is in the wrong way. It's this way.
but we.
Oh, you know what it is?
What?
It's telling you go that way.
Plaza de Olivia, like olives.
Plaza del Olivo. Maybe. I guess so. Yeah, I think so. Oh. And have to walk so much. Just having her own day, you know. A bullfight. So I wonder what's their take on vegan dolls. You think?
No,
No.
I'll fight them. There'll be blood on my hands, so just do it. God.
No.
Have her put her arm behind her and support herself. That's what I usually do when they're cute. Not really. I mean, he is following us around with dolls, so.
He's a supportive guy.
Yes. I almost called him Daddy Tinkers, but that was not what I
Daddy
was
Tinkers.
trying to say. No, Mr. Tinkers.
Maybe later.
Mr. Tinkers.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Make a wish.
Is it one of those, like, if I tell you my wish, it won't come true moments? Or is it like, you can share the wish and it still can happen?
Rosie, I don't think the wish is going to come true.
Well, you know what, Pablo? Maybe I really need this wish to come true. Maybe I
Okay.
need this. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
What did you wish for?
To see again.
Oh my God, you're
But
so
we are
cute.
going to see us again. So.
That's your wish is coming true.
Mhm.
I wish for more wishes. Trying to make this wish happen. Like we're like kneel. You're gonna get left in Europe. I don't know. Where's this? Rome? Italy?
Yeah, that's wrong.
Look at that. This is the real Eiffel Tower. It's just like,
Torre de Belém. This is Portuguese.
oh.
Wow, identify all the flags. I feel so culturally
I don't know any of
in
the
touch
flags.
with nature and with
I
love.
see. This is not part of that other vlog.
We're
Now
talking about insurance.
we're talking about traveler's insurance. Very exciting. We were talking about phones, but we did a tour of Europe in a park.
Yes.